Everyone of us for sure has already used the filter to sort the data, but it can be also annoying when you are using different type of criteria. Let's see the new DSUM function in Excel. Suppose that we want to filter only Ferrari car and sum the quantity column. Of course, we go to Sort Filter and click the Filter button. And use the drop-down menu under Car Type to select Ferrari. Once filtered, we highlight the relevant column and see the sum displayed at the bottom. However, if we use the sum function directly, it wouldn't give the correct total, because it includes hidden rows. In this case, the sum function can solve this problem. We write equal the sum, we select the database entire table, we choose the field column to sum, in this case is quantity, and we defined our criteria, that is car type Ferrari. Perfect, just in 1 second we got our result without manually filtering the data. Now, let's say that we need to filter not just Ferrari, but also the sales in New York, where the quantity is greater than 3. Using the filter manually, it would be much more complicated, and while the SUMIFs is an option, it is more complex than the sum. For example, if we use SUMIFs, we write equal SUMIFs, we select the quantity column, we set the car type, in this case it is Ferrari, then we set the city, in our case is New York, and we set the quantity, greater than 3. As you can see, it works, but it requires multiple criteria ranges. Let's see how works the sum function. We select the database, then we choose the field of quantity, and we define all criteria at once. The result is the same, but the sum is much simpler. Let's see another example. What if we want to sum the sales for New York, Rome, and Paris? Using the filters or SUMIFs, it would get increasingly complex. Let's do it with the DSUM function. We select the database, we choose the field of quantity, and we expand the criteria range to include the all option. Just in 1 second, we get our result. Crazy guys, very nice. Now there is a question. If the sum function can filter within a specific date range, let's say we need to sum sales for Ferrari in New York from 3rd to 16th of February. We use equal the sum, we select the database, we choose quantity, and we define criteria including start and end dates. Guys, just in 1 second we got also our result. The sum is not just one useful function. There is also DAVARAGE, calculates the average based on criteria, where we select the database, choose the field, and define the criteria. Or for example DCOUNT counts the number of matching records. We select again the database, we choose the field, and we define the criteria. Just in 1 second we enjoy our result. Guys, we are on the way of growing. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.